Hello my people, how you all doing? Hope you all have a great trading week. Guys, some people was asking me that I should open a group or I should add them to a channel where they'll be seeing my signals and following my trade. So I want to bring the good news to you guys. I created a Telegram channel where I will be dropping my signals so that any trade that I'm taking, I will drop it there, and any person that feel like to join me to trade can also follow me to trade it. And also guys, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you will be updated to know whenever I post a new video like this, because everything that we are doing here is very transparent. You guys can see when I'm making money, you guys will see when I am losing money. So for this week has it's not been a really good week, but our risk management is still intact. We have been waiting for most of our trade to play out and they are still consolidating. We haven't seen a clear entry yet. So guys, I will just take you to a few pair that I'm just looking at right now. I have some like very juicy setup for you guys. Still the last pairs that we look at GDP pairs, but I have just selected these ones that I'll be mostly focused on next trading week. So guys, join me, let's analyze together. First of all, what's on my screen here is the dollar index. You guys know how we do it. We first come and check what's happening with the dollar index, and as you guys can see, the dollar is still bearish. So far we stay below this level, we are still bearish. So dollar might want to come and test this level before going to the downside. So we'll still be looking at it, we'll still be watching what's happening with the dollar currency, but that's not where we are trading. I'm only come here to analyze the dollar because whatever the dollar is doing, it always affects other currency like Euro USD, GDP USD, AUD USD, NZD, even gold, all the whole currency pair, it always affect them. And anytime the dollar is trending, best believe that every other currency will be trending. So for now, the dollar is still bearish, and as the dollar is bearish, you can use this information to trade any other currency pair that is correlated with the dollar index, pairs like Euro USD, UD USD, and another thing, but I'm not trading all those pairs for now. The one we have on our first list is NZDCHF. Guys, NZDCHF wasn't part of our trade idea last week, so I just added this one this week. I just spotted a new move that is going to happen this week, so I added it to my watch list, and I want to share with you guys my trade setup. So as you can see guys, this market has been in a strong bearish move, very strong bearish move, until we reach to this level. The market start to reject from this support zone, start to reject, then we'll go down to the daily time frame. All this market are so choppy, this market they are not giving us a clear lower, a clear higher high and lower low. It's so close to each other, so choppy. But so we have to be very careful when we are risking on this market. Have to risk very low and put our risk management in check. So when I go down to a daily time frame, I saw that the market closed with a big bullish engulfing candle right here, and after closing it now takes back and start moving up. Then you cannot see the move so clear in the daily, so we'll go down to 4 hours time frame. So this is where the picture becomes more clearer. Then on a 4-hour time frame, we spotted something like inverse head and shoulder pattern. As you guys can see, this is the neckline. This is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And you guys know how we trade it. We always wait for a break and retest of the neckline before we jump into any trade. And the market has come to confirm that same thing. This is a break, this is a retest, and this is a continuation. And currently now the market is pulling back. That is why I added this to my watch list, because the market has started to pull back to our initial point of interest. Then if you look left, you will see, or you will spot some zones that the market is currently testing. These are the zone is testing. Now there are multiple zones, so we'll just get that to a lower time frame like 2 hours to refine our entry more. So you can spot this zone right here, you can spot this one, so you can spot this rejection here. So we'll make use of this zone so that it will touch everything. Guys, currently I'm bullish on this trade, but I'm not going to enter yet. I want the market to do something like this before I could enter. Something, you see, I want it to do something like this, then break to the downside. I want it to do a liquidity stop, like grab all the whole liquidity that is down there, then come up, test this level again, give us something like either double bottom or inverse head and shoulder. When the market start to cross this level, when it start to cross this level, that's why I said this alarm here. My trading view will notify me that the market is crossing, that is bullish. Then from here, this is where I will be longing the market. I'll be longing it from here, then placing my stop loss below any lows that the market is going to create. That's where I'm going to place my stop loss. Then my TP is going to be 1:3. That I will be risking a portion of my account to make 3% of it. So guys, this is what I want the market to do. I want it to come to this level, but even though the market did not come to this level, but if I see a bullish engulfing candle crossing this line, and if trading view alerts me, this is where I will be longing. We will have to be patient. We have to wait for this trade. We don't need to rush it. Just wait for it to play out. Just allow it to do its thing. Whenever you start chasing the market, it will always leave you, or you will get hot. Just allow the market to always come to you first, but when the market comes to you, it will give you reasons to follow it. So when the market now comes to these my levels, it will now be giving me reasons to trade with it, and those reasons now are my confluence that I will now add together to trade with it. So guys, add this one in your watch list. So I will be dropping this trade whenever I'm entering it on my new Telegram channel. So guys, you are going to click the link in my description. I'm going to drop the link there, so click it and join my new Telegram channel, where I will be dropping the signal and any other thing information I have to pass to you guys. I will be dropping it there too. So guys, follow up. I just created it new, so follow up the channel. So the next one on my list is GBPCHF. So GBPCHF, I don't think GBPCHF was among what I analyzed last week, but all the same, these are my new trade setup for this week. As you can see, GBPCHF did the same thing, this inverse head and shoulder. You can see left shoulder, head. I call this the right shoulder. It came, retest back, but the retest wasn't that much. Then it retest deeply and it pulled out of it. So I'm waiting for it to test to this level back again, then we can continue to the upside. So for GBPCHF, I'm bullish on this pair. Same thing with NZDCHF. We still wait for the same pattern on the GBPCHF. So these are the two pairs I'm looking at to trade next week. I'll still check other pairs, but these ones are the one that I'm looking at for to trade. I want the market to just come back to this level and give us a chart pattern. Maybe we'll scale down to a lower time frame to look out for those chart pattern. Let the market just give us a chart pattern from there. Then we'll continue to the upside. As you can see, this is the shift of structure. When the market starts giving us, this is the previous lower low, this is the recent lower low, then we start to have a lower high, and I want another lower high to form around this area. Then we can enter for a bull run to the upside. Add this to your watch list also on GBPCHF. I'm bullish on GBPCHF. Any lows that the market is going to create below this zone is going to be where I will set my stop loss. Then I'll first target this high that is here, then take out my profit, wait for the market to break and retest on that level. I'll wait for market to break and retest on this level before we continue. So this is it. Other ones, I'm still looking at other currencies like GBPCAD. GBPCAD was favorite. I was analyzing it and I favored it to the upside, and I was looking out for it to give me what I want. I wanted it to break, but GBPCAD break and it never come back to our point of interest. So I'm still waiting for it to test back to this neckline. So I set an alarm on it. If GBPCAD tests back, I'll still be looking for a trade setup around that area. Next one, GBPJPY, same thing. I'm still waiting for them to play out something like this. This is a head and shoulder pattern, and we are currently at the neckline. Let the market break from that neckline, then I will be interested in buying GBPJPY. So this is a new lower high, so I want the market to do something like a break above it, retest it, then we can go to the upside. So these ones are still on my watch list. And the last one, is GBPAUD. I took this trade last week. The market, immediately I took it, the market started to consolidate. After a whole period of time, like 2 or 3 days, the market just hit me out on a stop loss. After consolidating, too much consolidated, I will put the screenshots on here, on the screen here, so that you will see where I entered it. I saw this big bullish engulfing candle right here, and I was seeing so many rejection here, rejection. Then this big bullish engulfing candle. Then immediately I entered, the market started to reverse, then came up again, reverse. But this is the candle that hit me out on my stop loss. Then for now we start to consolidate around that area. So on GBPAUD, I'm not interested in it for now. The pair that I'm currently interested in is NZDCHF. We'll have to wait for it to play out, wait for analysis to play out, and wait for it to start giving us big bullish engulfing candle, or we'll look out for a chart pattern and liquidity grab around this level. The next one is GBPCHF. Same thing, will allow it to come to this level, give us a chart pattern and big bullish engulfing candle. We will enter from there, and here is our take profit. We took out our profit and still wait for it to break above and retest for another interest. So guys, this is it for today's video. I want you guys to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, and also go to the description and click on the new Telegram link and join in, because I will be dropping this signal on the new Telegram channel. I will drop all the whole signal that I'm taking, all the whole trade that I will be taking. I will drop the signal there. So thank you all my people, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. If you have anything to ask me, any pair you want me to analyze, anything you want me to teach, I'll still teach on that stop loss. It's just that I haven't have the time. I was so busy this week. So anything you want me to teach, that I will compile all these things and make a time to teach you guys, maybe on beginner guide or anything. Just comment below, like it and subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys on my other videos. Thanks.